All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today, started hearing a clunking coming from the front driver's side here. So we're gonna go ahead and jack it up, and we got some cool new tools. We got a 12-piece half-inch drive torque wrench set right here. And what a deal on this thing. I got it for $89. And if you go on Amazon, just the smaller torque wrench itself goes for around $138. So, and this is a complete set. This comes with, you know, sockets, breaker bar, like everything, and the case itself. So that's pretty cool. And then also for getting under the engine, we got this Hoodlight. So we're gonna try that out too. We're gonna just check the oil and all the other stuff on here. But we'll go ahead and get that set up so you can see that. But right now, let's go ahead and start jacking this up and see what we got going on. Sweet, it's a nice little case. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Got our little manual for everything. Got our breaker. And we're gonna need the 7/8 out of there. We'll lower it back down to loosen these up. Now we'll jack it back up. All right, so we put the new tie rod on last year, but down here you can see that lower ball joint there. That lower ball joint's gonna need to be replaced. And while we're at it, we might as well replace the upper ball joint here and arm. It comes as an assembly, so the ball joint will already be pressed into this. So, all right, so we got a little bit of work to do here, but everything else looks good. So that's probably where we're getting our little clunking from. All right, let's go ahead and open up the hood and take a look at the engine, and we'll try out our new light there. See how well it lights it up. All right, we got our manual in there for it. All right. Take off the protective plastic here. This is gonna be nice because now I don't have to hang my other Dewalt lights with a bungee from there. And that just pulls apart. You can angle it however you want. All right. And just gonna go on like all the other Dewalt tools, slip it in. And now these pull out so it'll fit where you want it to. And you can also turn them, hook them however you want. Lights are down here, so we're going to turn them. And let's hook one here. All right. That's pretty cool. And of course we got our power switch here. Nice. Should have did this at nighttime. You really would have seen a difference. There's off. Oh, there's a low setting. So there's off. Here, I'll look at the engine while we do this. And on. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. Alright, so that's definitely going to be a handy tool for working on stuff. And now I don't have to run bungees up through here and hang lights and stuff like I used to in the past. This is really quick and simple and easy. So, alright, I'll leave a link in the description for this. And yeah, check it out. Definitely going to be worth it in the long run, especially with all the vehicles I work on and stuff. And I'll be able to use it actually with the boats, doing all types of different stuff. And it does angle. And you could turn, as you can see, you could turn them to situate them where you want, or you could hang it from, you know, so it's, you know, vertical. So, all right. Well, we're done here for now. I got to go ahead and get the parts, and we're going to get working on this and replace those ball joints and the upper control arm there. And I just wanted to give you a preview. Amazon does have these. They're pretty expensive. I would try to go onto the Tractor Supply site. Like I said, it was oh, big truck. It was $89. There was a $10 off coupon. They're normally 99 bucks, but even the smaller torque wrench, it's just by itself without the sockets and the breaker bar and the case, was like 130 something. So just buyer beware. If you can find it on Amazon, you know, for cheaper, go for it. But check out Tractor Supply because they were the cheapest, 89 bucks with a $10 off. So check them out, and also leave the link in the description for the light as well. So, all right, guys, once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, stay tuned for future videos. We got a ton. And check out our other videos. We have a ton. And we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.